Now, moving on to velocity and acceleration with respect to displacement. So first, if we look at velocity displacement graph, we can see that our velocity is basically maximum when the bob passes through the equilibrium position and it is zero when the bob is at the positions of maximum displacement. So when the bob passes through the equilibrium position, उसकी velocity negative भी हो सकती है और positive भी हो सकती है, but it will depend on the direction in which it is traveling. लेकिन in the वो एक zero displacement, the magnitude is always constant. And we can calculate this using the equation V max is equals to Wx naught. So at zero displacement, the velocity of the bob can either be Wx naught or negative Wx naught, depending on the direction in which it is traveling. But the displacement at both point x naught and minus x naught will always be zero. In the graph on the right, you can see the variation of velocity with displacement, where displacement is on the x-axis and velocity is on the y-axis. So now if we need to calculate the velocity of the object at any position other than the position of maximum is 0 and 0 displacement, we can calculate it using this formula, where v is equals to plus minus w multiplied by underscore x square minus x square, where the first x is x naught minus the x square. Now looking at acceleration displacement graph, we can see कि जो हमारी acceleration है, it is maximum when the magnitude of displacement is maximum and the acceleration is zero when the displacement is zero. And you can see this in the graph below, which basically shows the variation of acceleration with displacement from the mean position. So our acceleration displacement graph is basically a straight line with a constant negative gradient. And this relationship can be derived from this equation, where acceleration is equals to minus w square x.